Hey YouTube, this is Pat. Hey Twitter world, this is no, not not gonna go there. People that know. Hey Twitter world. Anyway, this is Pat. I just wanted to show you a couple things before I start the day. First, this is the Coliseum Agent Hackathon, completely written by AI. All these projects are all theoretically not written by humans whatsoever. Um, let's take a random one at here. Let's try Soul Replay, email based something. I'm just gonna view their repository, see what they got going on. 43 commits. Whoa, big dog. 43 commits. A lot of style fixes. Uh, working on a website. Change some fonts. Okay, like 40 commits, all on from the 4th and the 6th. So it looks like this person worked on it for 2 days. Let's go back to the projects. All right, well, let me see their technical demo. Soul Replay. This one has a lot more votes than mine. Soul Relay. Oh, Soul Relay. Send crypto as easy as email. No wallet, just email. Fast, secure, powered by Solana. Oh, that's cool. They get an email link. That's actually pretty neat. Connect wallet, and then you could send them crypto. It's like, hey, someone just sent you crypto. Open up this link because people love clicking on links in email. This is my crypto money? No, you just lost your money. I don't click on any links in email. If somebody sends me something, I don't even read it. Step number one, have no friends. Step number two, never email your friends. Just kidding. Okay, wait. Pay Lobster. So these are all Solana based projects. I should have backed up and started with that. Here's mine. Whoa, another bot voted on it. Cool. So we're getting bot engagement. Shout out to Phil and Jenny for actually voting on this thing. This is my app. It's basically a benchmark for AI. So take all the top reasoners right now: Opus 4.6, GPT 5.2, Grok 4, and then they're trading stocks. And I put it on my website, so you can just go to patgpt.us to see it. So actually, let's check out the repo first. So looking at the repo, 27 minutes ago, it did something. 543 commits. Now that's 10 times that repo we just saw with all the other votes. 10 times. I mean, it's not always doing everything, but let's say, look, code improvement cycle 402, 54 minutes ago. Okay. If recent length is less than older length times a factor of zero point 0.6, no, recent length drift threshold. So we have a drift threshold for reasoning length. That makes sense. Why would you hard code that number? Don't just pick a number out of the air. It should be some sort of like config that we pull from. Very good. So this is fine. Instead of hard coding values, it's like putting in actual variables that we can then tune and tweak somewhere else. So I support this. This is actually legit. It's not a lot of lines of code. It's only like 17 lines of code, but whatever. That's pretty good. So this is the repo. 543 commits, but then let's see, did they push this latest one? I don't think it pushed it. Oh, design decisions. No, that's 2 days ago. Huh. Wait a second. Did you finish yet, Claudia, homie? Huh. Added numbers. Added numbers by. Added by the numbers table. Oh, okay. By the numbers. So wait, is this out of date? This is 28 minutes ago. Okay. Push these to the repo. Great work. Did it even push it? Did it just do it and then it just didn't do anything? I guess it didn't even. Oh, see? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, a calibration engine. That was just from something. That's a constant extraction from a previous heartbeat cycle. Unrelated to our work. I'll only commit the readme. Okay, great. That's all you need to do. So it did all this work and then it forgot to even add it. Oof, that's troublesome. I wonder if there are other things it's forgotten to do. Okay, so now we should refresh and see. Aha, there we go. Thank you. Technical decisions. So this will show us everything. So we got 185,000 lines of code. I just started this thing less than a week ago. So 185,000 lines of code, 406 files, 170 unit tests, 186 service modules, 140 routes. Jeez. Uh, so the 9 different agent files with the model adapters, orchestrator skill. Okay, those are just for the actual thing. Database schema, 35 schema files, 13 SQL migrations, 1,600 lines of SQL code. Even that's like pretty cool. 543 commits, 22 packages. Single skill, 3 models. Orchestrator as kernel. 34 dimensional benchmark scoring. 69 services with constants. So basically it's rating everything that these models are doing. 46 math utility functions. That's a lot. Mean, standard deviation. What are they? Okay. Find max, find min, sum by key. Financial analytics code constantly needs mean, standard deviation, percentile. Without shared helpers, each service re-implements these with subtle differences. Oh, okay. Read only safe generics. Okay, cool. On-chain execution with Jupyter, dual database strategy. Yeah, so circuit breaker, basically we limited their trades, so they can't trade too much, but they can still trade. Postgres for the database, DynamoDB, CDK, 300 lines of code, Hono framework. Hono. Hono. uh, Whatever. The meeting of the minds thing was my idea, where they like kind of deliberate and they can vote on stuff. And then the open benchmark, that's cool. I'm proud of the benchmark. That's the thing I think is the coolest. So that's an actual thing. Like if you go to My Hugging Face and you go to Molt benchmark, we can see, yep, all the recent action. So yeah, you're basically seeing like the agents vote. They give you a confidence score. There was an error here. Model used Opus 4.5. Oh, that's interesting. If Opus 4.5 is the last one, maybe it didn't run the 4.6 one yet. 4.6 just came out, so it's kind of cool that we added it. Anyway, so it's got an actual benchmark. No, it even shows you the version of the benchmark. I like that. So the benchmark is here. I don't know that anybody actually cares about this. Downloads last month, 48. Okay, well, whatever. Nobody liked this benchmark yet, but if you see this video, you can come to the Molt benchmark and we'll go from there. But what I really wanted to show you on this video, I mean, this is my day job working on this model stuff, hoping to win this competition. Actually, if you do want to vote on this project, please go to coliseum.com agent hackathon. I'll put this in the description, but you can vote on well, it's a draft submission, but it's going to be submitted for real in like, I don't know, a day or two. Whenever the project's going to or the hackathon, I think, is over on the 12th. But here, we don't really have that many votes. We got like 3 human votes, which is me, Jenny, and Phil. So we need more votes. But what I really wanted to show everybody was Stardew Valley. So in Stardew Valley, I wanted to just let everybody know that we rushed the community center. We tried to hit the theoretical limit for how fast you can get to the community center. So inside Stardew Valley, let's see, we got our community center guy. ComCent Speed. So ComCent Farm is the name of the farm. Not very inventive, but all right. So it's fall 14, and what we've done so far is we planted all the fall crops. We planted all the fall bundles. We're gonna skip out of this scene with Evelyn. To show you the farm real quick. we got a bunch of sprinklers. We got agriculture. Skill-wise, like I don't know, farming is our best. Mining, combat. We did almost no fishing. We did like the bare minimum of fishing. We only upgraded our rod because it was just saving time. Like we didn't even go beyond the bamboo pole. We don't have an iridium pole, Phil, if you're watching this. But the foraging, we're not even that high in. But we got all these bundles though. So I want to show you a couple of things. So first, let's go. Well, it's fall 14. So the major thing that I just want to show you is that we have completed almost all the bundles. So this is winter foraging bundle, right? So it's fall 14. How can you do winter foraging in the fall? How's that even possible? Well, you can get these from the mines. You can get the winter yams or the winter root from the mines. Just, that's easy peasy. Crystal fruit sometimes drops there too. But how are you going to get the snow yam and the crocus? You can't get that until the winter season, right? Well, let me show you this after I drink my coffee. I need coffee in my life. All right. Let me drink the triple shot of espresso and some spicy eel. Spicy eel in the morning. The breakfast of champions. Anyway, so we're going over, and first I want to show you something. Well, I'll show you this. So, okay, great. Now, look, we got the greenhouse, and this is all speed-grown winter fruits. We got all the speed-grown winter foraging stuff, so we're good. We got iridium sprinklers, so that's cool. But we got all the potential winter foraging stuff you need. So by summer 2026, Sunday, fall 14, we've got snow yams that you can't get anywhere else. We've got crocus. We even got the other ones we don't even need, winter root and crystal fruit. So that's the only bundle we have left. However, got all there's no bolts, there's nothing left. We did everything. You can see. If we go back to where was that thing that showed when we went to our skills, you saw, look, the community center's done. Except 2 rooms. We got the fish board, we got all that other stuff. But what do we not have? Oh no. What do we not have? Well, let me show you what we don't have. We don't have fall 14, remember that. We did everything. We got all the bundles done. You can't deny us this. I just wanted to tell the world that I am done. The only thing that we couldn't get. So we got the fish tank. Easy peasy. We caught all those fish. We got the furnace with a boiler room. Did that. Easy peasy mining. Love that. We did the vault. Money. We make money. What's that bulletin board? We'll come back to that. Oh, look. We got everything else. Look at all those stars. Now today is fall 14. The big day. Pantry's done. Kitchen done. Time to go to this crafts room. What do you need? You need a crocus. And you need a snow yam. How did you get all those winter things? How'd you do all that? That's crazy. Also, how'd you do the exotic foraging bundle with the nautilus shell? Well, wait, let me tell you. Well, after this, with the Junimos. Junimos. Hooray, we did it. So, when we're done here, we'll return to the other world. Okay, well, you're not done here, and I'll show you why in a second. But anyway, we got Junimos. So we just completed that. But you might ask, like, how did you do the other part with the nautilus shell? Well, we're friends with Demetrius. He's our one and only friend. We give him ice cream. We got lots of ice cream for him. We gave him the thing on his birthday. He gave us the nautilus shell in the mail. So we got the nautilus shell in the mail. We got the pigs. We got everything else. So now, like, here we are. This should have been the day that we complete the community center. Sunday in the fall. In fall 14, we should have been done. The reason is that we got the greenhouse as quick as we humanly possibly could because we speed grew the pumpkin. After speed growing the pumpkin, then we got the greenhouse. After we got the greenhouse, we speed grew all the winter seeds that we needed. How do we make the winter seeds? We used the seed maker. So we got all the winter seeds. We got all the other stuff. Everything was done. All the winter things that we needed were done in the fall 14th. But what did we not do? We did not get the bulletin board. The fodder bundle. We have 2 apples. We do not have 3 apples. We got the fruit bat cave, and we never got 3 apples. We never planted an apple tree. We never saved anything for to swim back. And we failed. We failed miserably. So there you have it, folks. We got the whole community center done. We got a really nice farm. We've got a cow, we got a pig, we got cheese, we got bread, we got seed makers, we got mayonnaise. I'll even show you what we have in here, or what we have. I mean, we got the rusty key so we can go talk to Krobus. We got 2 apples. 2 juicy apples right there, 2 apples. And that's it. We got 2 apples, but we don't have anything else. Wait, what do we have here? Oh, we got clay in our crab pond just as a backup in case we couldn't get the Nautilus shell from Demetrius. We would have gone that way. We got a truffle. Thanks, Piggy. We got Daddy Pig. We got Genio. We got Oliver. We got Uncle Philly, the goat, Philly goat, and we got Ocean. We got a whole kit and caboodle of things. We even found an auto grabber. We found an auto grabber in the skull cavern, and you can put other stuff in it. But we got everything, but we don't have the apple. So, sorry guys. We couldn't complete the community center, but we did reach the theoretical limit. If I had been smarter and I'd placed an apple in there, we would have been fine. So that's the hard truth. The cold hard truth is that we failed miserably. We got tons of plants, we got scarecrows, we even got a slime hutch just for fun. We didn't need to do this. This wasn't part of the run. We just did it because we had money and it was fun. We got a slime hutch. Yeah. See? We got a slime hutch. See? See? We got everything, but we don't have the apple. That's the problem. So, we got nothing. We didn't make it. We failed. But I just wanted to show you that we would have succeeded if the bat cave had delivered something beyond these blackberries and salmon berries. Couldn't get an apple from this thing, just 1/3 apple. And then, I'll tell you what else failed. The stinking traveling cart. You go all the way down. I mean, we're going to have enough hardwood to build Willie's boat when we need to. If we want to get to Ginger Island, we can do that. We're well on our way to that. We're not well on the way to the apple. We cannot afford any Apple products. There's no time machine in this game. There's traveling cart, but look. Do you have an apple? Please an apple? Lobster bisque. I don't need no lobster bisque. I don't even care about fishing. No apple. A mega bomb. Here, I'll buy a mega bomb from you. And then, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use it against you. That's what you get. Shouldn't sell mega bombs if you're not willing to pay the price. Should be no mega bombs. Stardew Valley should be a non-violent place. You played yourself. Anyway, so that's that. Couldn't get the 3rd apple. Otherwise, we have every single thing done. We would have been done on fall 14. Fall 14, hard limit. Just one more apple. Ah! I hope I took a screenshot of this. Anyway, that's it. Have a good day. Yep, we failed, but it's okay. Failure's part of life. Now we learned. We could always start another game and then plant the apple tree sooner, and we would have been fine. But we didn't, so we lost. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, go to the Moltapp and vote on it. That's it. Bye.